If you're experiencing login errors on Wells Fargo, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos, and remember that passwords are case sensitive. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, old data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try logging in again. Step 3. Update your browser. Make sure you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not support the Wells Fargo website properly, leading to login errors. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions you have installed and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you still cannot log in after trying the above steps, reach out to Wells Fargo customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and ensure your account is secure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login errors and access your Wells Fargo account. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.